like today's video, it's on the OMC seal. We'll be taking a look at that. Haven't been uploading a whole lot. As you can tell, we've been getting snow here. The OMC video is from a little while ago. I'm just now getting around to uploading it. I've been busy with family, cutting down a bunch of trees around the place, stuff like that. So yeah, but hope you like today's video, guys. And I'll be uploading a riding one shortly after the OMC seal one, so be sure and check that out also. So got some great mud riding footage. Not a lot of mud, but now we finally got a lot more moisture. Otherwise before, everything was so dry. It was ridiculously dry. But yeah, enjoy the videos. We'll see you later. All right, welcome back to another video. Today is on how to kind of protect your ATV from water a little bit better than what it is. So we're going to be taking a look at some seals from OMC, Outsiders Motor Company, I believe it is. And we'll take off the seat. And basically what seal we're going to be removing is the oops, gotta unplug that. Well, I just set it there. But what seal we're going to be removing and replacing is your airbox lid seal, which is right here. So if you want to loosen that to take it off, I'm probably going to need two hands, but there, just turn it to the left, take it off. And here's your seal right here, this cheap little foam gasket basically. So OMC, I got a trunk lid seal here, which will be going on. And then I also got, look at this. This is a lot thicker gasket, a lot better material. Should keep water out way better than this cheap little garbagey airbox lid seal right here. So all you do, peel this one off, clean it off, and then insert this one on here and slap it on, push super hard and tighten it. So I'm gonna get the old one off here and put this one on right now. And really all you got to do once you get the old one started, just kind of lift up and peel. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so just peel the old one off, get it started. And look at that, it's so crappy it just falls apart. But yeah, just start peeling, pull that all the way off here like this. There you go. Pretty junky seal. The new one just slips on here. So I want to give a big shout out to the Pegues Way, his channel. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but he had a tip for using dielectric grease to get this cover on way easier. Some other channels say use a hammer. Do not do that. That's a bad idea. So thanks for the tip. Big shout out to him. I'll have a link down below in the description. Put some dielectric grease around this close side on the gasket, just around there, and that actually allowed it for when I pushed in, it allowed it for this cover to actually slip a lot easier to turn to lock into place. I was pushing hard enough, it's just the cover wasn't slipping. So once that grease was on there, then it just slipped, let it lock right into place. So that is how you put that one on. I'm going to take a look at the trunk lid one now and see what that looks like. So stay tuned and we'll check it out. Let's see. So here's the stock one, but I'm not sure if that's just set in there or glued in there or silicone in there. So I might try and pull that one out and then see about putting in the new one. All right, guys, well, here goes getting the stock trunk lid one out of here. It's just kind of glued in with a little bit of sticky tape. So, not sure if you can see, but we're just pulling that right on out of there. And now, we'll go ahead and put in the OMC seal and see how this bugger seals up. So. Alright, so I just kind of got it started. So you just sit there and just kind of pop it right into place like that. It actually forms up in there really nice. So hoping this will kind of waterproof the back trunk area a little better. We'll find out. I'm not gonna go submerge my four-wheeler or anything right away, but hopefully this gasket's a lot tighter. Definitely fits in there nice. As I say that, it's a little long. Alright, so I take that back, guys. I didn't actually cut it. I just kind of pulled it out, put the middle in, and then worked the excess to each side on the bottom here. You can see that's a little chunked up here, but that's where all the excess went. So now that should be sealed up a heck of a lot better. Find out when I go in water and stuff. I'm going to take the bike out for a quick grip. That was a look at the OMC seals for the air filter and for the back trunk lid. Seem a lot better than what the little thin stock ones are. So I'll find out later on this summer how well this holds up and if it allows water in or not. It might allow a little bit of water in through here, but I'm hoping not. So we'll find out later. So the OMC seals on here, I had their trunk lid seal and then airbox seal, and tell you what, this trunk lid seal, for all the mudding I was doing yesterday, nothing even got wet in there. If you see water on that, that's because I took everything out and I sprayed out this box today because there was like muskeg and everything else, rocks and gravel and pebble all built up kind of along the outside edge of this seal and then back here. But there was nothing in there. That was bone dry. All my stuff was completely dry. So OMC trunk box lid seal seems to work awesome. I'll let you know in the future how well it keeps working. I did use a pressure washer yesterday to go all around this, so if there's any water gonna get in there, it should have got in there, but nothing did. So super happy about that. There, that bugger locks tight. I like it. Yeah, so I hope you liked the video. Remember, favorite, like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Leave a comment down below, guys. Tell me what you thought. Tell me what you think. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it.